So let's have a look at the theming mechanism. Currently we offer one theme, and that's aptly named default. Just jump through to that. You'll find that under the apps directory, assets, style sheets, themes. And this theme offers that the grainy grey background that you see. Let me just jump to the browser. Contrasted container and then a white record pane. Now to create your own theme, you might want to change things around to match your own institution's look and feel or branding. And that's quite easy. So what we have to do is create a directory underneath this themes directory. I've created one called HUDMOL. And then to apply this theme, you just need to override a value in your configuration file. I'll just jump through and I'll show you how to do that in your development instance. So in the config details, there's a front-end theme entry. As you can see here, I've changed mine to be HUDMOL already. Out of the box, that'll be default. So for your theme, you need to define a application.less and a bootstrap.less. Now these pull in the various application less files and the bootstrap less version of the framework. Now we use less so we can format our style sheets a little bit more nicer and also allow to mix in particular kind of macros, if you like, and allow use of variables throughout our style sheets. So to basically to allow us to simplify the theming process. So each of these particular, let's just jump in and have a look at the bootstrap.less, and you'll see here that we're actually including our HUDMOL.less file, and that's actually just an overrides file which will be applied to both the bootstrap.less, the bootstrap framework, and also if I jump into application.less, we include it here as well. And this allows us to override the particular variables used in those contexts. And to give you an example, if I jump into our overrides file, you can see here that I'm importing the default skins overrides file, which is called default, and that gives us a good base to work from, and then we can change things from there. Of course, you don't have to do that. But what I'll do is give you an idea. We can change the headings color to blue, basically modifying the variable, the less variable. I'll jump back through our browser here and do a refresh. You'll see here now that the headings are now blue, and they'll be applied throughout the application. Now, you don't have to rely on variables. A list of those is available from the Twitter Bootstrap page, web page. You can also apply arbitrary CSS if you like. To give you an example, let's change the background image of our instance. So I've got an image here which we'll drag into our system. Let's go to images here, themes. Let's create a folder for our theme, and let's drag in our new image. Okay. Returning to our overrides file here, we can include that image. Excuse the typing. Let's just set a position for it. Okay, let's see how that turns out. Parity. Now, of course, you can apply the similar technique for changing the logos and the branding. and the various colors throughout the staff interface.